Good afternoon, folks. Trade Ideas Technology here. Just want to show off with our chart trading and our proprietary racing feature. So what we call relative strength from the open scanner here that I've created. Very easy to share if anybody ever decides to take a subscription and wants to take a look at this. And I'm connected to our simulator right now. Of course, we connect to IB or E-Trade for live trading, but of course, for the newer traders, we'd always encourage get in the simulator, practice, figure out your risk management skills. What I want to show off here is TIO. We can see it's moving relative to these other stocks that are up the most from the open on the day here, grinding along higher on the day. Well, let's just say that, maybe at a $5 break, I want to be a participator in this stock. I click buy on my chart with a pre-made buy strategy, and there's my limit stop order to get in. I've got an auto stop populated should I get the fill, and I have a profit taker up here should I get the fill. You can customize these, what percent you want those to be set at, a few other options, and of course, should it just not populate exactly where you want it to, we could click, drag, and move all these stops and targets right on the chart, make it very, very clean, very, very simple. Really tones it down for those newer traders, so they're not getting lost inside their own broker before they really understand how software and risk management works. All right, thank you all for watching. We'll catch you on another video. Take care.